Do you want to know how to keep the stunning outcomes of your teeth whitening treatment? In this short video, we'll go over some strategies and tips to ensure that your smile stays sparkling and white for a longer time. It is first and foremost vital to follow proper oral hygiene every day. It is important to brush your teeth twice every day, flossing frequently as well as using mouthwashes to eliminate bacteria and freshen your breath. If you keep your teeth clear of food particles and plaque and stains, you will be able to prevent them from forming and keep the results of your teeth whitening. Alongside your regular dental hygiene routine, it is also important to pay attention to what you consume and consume. Certain drinks and foods like coffee and red wine, tea, and even berries may cause staining to your teeth in the course of time. In order to avoid discoloration, you should make sure to avoid the consumption of these substances or clean your teeth right away after drinking these drinks. A steady intake of fluids throughout the day will aid in washing away the pigments that may cause tooth discoloration. A key element to maintain the results of your teeth's whitening is visiting the dentist on a regular basis for checks and cleans. Professional cleanings can eliminate the most stubborn plaque or stains which you might not be capable of reaching with your regular flossing and brushing. The dentist also offers treatment for touch-ups to maintain your teeth looking their most beautiful. If you smoke, stopping smoking cigarettes is one of the most beneficial things you can do to improve your oral health as well as the long-term durability of your teeth whitening outcomes. Smoking causes stains on your teeth, but it also raises the risk of developing gum disease as well as various oral health problems. If you stop smoking, it will safeguard your smile and increase your general health. Utilizing whitening toothpastes or kits for touch-ups can aid in maintaining your teeth's results when you undergo professional treatment. They contain components which can lift stain and improve your smile as time passes. It is crucial to adhere to the directions cautiously and avoid overusing the products, as they could cause damage to your enamel if applied in a way that isn't done correctly. Finally, securing your teeth from harm is essential to maintain the results of your whitening. Beware of habits such as chewing on frozen ice, removing packages using your teeth, or using your teeth for instruments can help prevent fractures and chips that could affect the look of your smile. A mouthguard worn while performing sports or participating in sports can help keep your teeth safe from damage. To conclude, keeping the results of your teeth's whitening is a matter of maintaining good dental hygiene, good habits, as well as regular visits to the dentist. If you follow these guidelines and paying attention to what you consume and drink to keep your smile shining and gorgeous for many long time to be. Keep in mind that a healthy smile means a happy smile.